Hey guys, hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to tell you how you can move to Germany without a job offer. You can even move with your family members with this new visa called the Chancenkarte or Opportunity Card, through which working professionals can migrate to Germany easily. Now, although a job offer isn't necessary, if you do happen to have even a part-time job doing any simple job like a cashier or warehouse or any other entry-level job, which is really easy to get for about 20 hours in a week, you don't need a blocked account, which means you won't have to show any proof of funds amount in your bank account as well. When you get a full-time German job offer, you can convert your Opportunity Card visa into a full-time work visa and German PR simultaneously as well. So basically, the Opportunity Card will allow you to come to Germany and look for a full-time job, and you can even work for 20 hours per week as a part-time worker while you're looking for a job, through which you could earn around 1,000 euros per month to meet your daily expenses. Moreover, even your spouse can get an Opportunity Card and even they can come to Germany along with you and begin working at their convenience. In this video, I'm going to tell you everything about the Chancenkarte or the Opportunity Card, the major benefits you'll get with it, who can apply for it, on what basis you'll be awarded points, and a step-by-step demonstration on applying online for your visa on the VFS Global website, so do watch the video till the end. Hey guys, this is Jason from Dream Canada. If you're new to the channel, I show people how to save their money and immigrate to new countries through my videos without the help of any immigration consultants or agents or lawyers. You can find all the process instructions for you to apply on your own through this channel. Subscribe now because all the information provided here is completely free, and I answer all your queries in the comment section and on my social handles on Instagram and Twitter, so don't forget to follow us there as well. You can even get in touch with us directly via WhatsApp on the number shared on the screen. Let's start with what the Chancenkarte or Opportunity Card actually is. The Opportunity Card is a work authorization entry visa issued based on a points-based system similar to the express entry points-based system for Canada, where an individual is awarded points based on a number of factors like age, education, professional qualifications, work experience, and so on. A set number of cards or Opportunity Cards are issued every year, and you'll get one depending on how much you score in the points-based system. I'll let you know about the points-based system and how you can calculate your points later in the video. Once you get your Opportunity Card, you can come to Germany and look for a job and even work for 20 hours per week, which will be a part-time job while you're looking for a full-time job. Through this, you can earn around 1,000 euros per month to meet your daily expenses, and if you secure this part-time job before coming to Germany, you will not need to maintain any proof of funds through a German blocked account, so that's a huge advantage for those on a limited budget. Moreover, if you get selected for an Opportunity Card, even your spouse can get an Opportunity Card and even they can come to Germany and begin working at their convenience. As soon as you get a German job offer, you can convert that into a full-time work visa or your Germany PR as well. Now we come to the major benefits of the Opportunity Card. The first advantage is that this Opportunity Card is only for non-EU nationals, so you won't be facing any competition from EU nationals for this visa, which greatly increases your chances of getting approved. The second advantage is due to its really limited requirements and easy points-based system, it's a really easy and fast entry pathway to Germany and Europe as a whole. For example, the work experience required for this visa is just 3 years as opposed to the 5 years required for the job seeker visa. The third advantage is the ability to work for 20 hours in a week while you're searching for a full-time job in Germany, so you don't have to depend on your savings to cover your living expenses while searching for a job in Germany. Again, you'll be able to earn around at least 1,000 euros per month, which is more than enough to cover your living expenses in Germany. There's currently a huge shortage for skilled professionals in Germany, and Germany is continuously introducing new programs and visas to fulfill this increased demand for working professionals. Professions in IT, engineering, healthcare, childcare, education, and sales have the largest shortage of skilled professionals in Germany. The transport and logistics industry had the most job vacancies in 2023, although healthcare, education, and social profession sectors were also ranked in the top 10 in-demand professions. To be more specific, under healthcare, there's a huge demand for doctors, nurses, pharmacists, and caregivers, followed by the IT sector with high-paying jobs for software engineers, developers, AI or artificial intelligence, and cybersecurity professionals. Among the other sectors, there's also a huge demand for automotive engineers, mechanical engineers, and chemical engineers as well. So basically, the most demand are in IT, healthcare, and engineering sectors, and a fair demand for some other sectors like construction, agriculture, and sales. Earlier, what used to happen is you could of course come to Germany and begin working if you had a job offer ready, but you could also fly to Germany and search for a job for 6 months under the job seeker visa. The only drawback about the job seeker visa is that you needed a blocked account for more than 6 months, and you also needed 5 years of work experience relevant to your field to be eligible. Apart from this, you weren't allowed to work for those 6 months in which you're searching for a job. After you would get a job, you would have to apply for a work visa, and only then you were allowed to begin working. This was slightly inconvenient and also a bit expensive, as you needed at least 6,000 euros in your blocked account, which many people can't really afford to keep blocked. Now, however, Germany has taken all of these factors into consideration and announced the Chancenkarte or the Opportunity Card, which is a points-based system which either does not require a part-time job offer from Germany or any funds for a blocked account. So basically, if you have funds for a blocked account, you will not need a part-time job offer, and if you have a part-time job offer for 20 hours a week, you will not require to deposit funds in a blocked account. So it's now much easier to come to Germany using this new pathway. Now we come to the eligibility or requirements for this visa. The first thing required is a language test score of at least an A1 level in German or a B2 level in English. The language tests you can take are from TestDAF, Goethe, IELTS or TOEFL. Do know that it's not compulsory to know German. You can qualify with both the German or English language tests. Next, to support yourself in Germany while you look for a job, you will need at least a part-time work contract of 20 hours per week or a blocked account for 934 euros per month for 1 year's time period, which comes to a total of 11,208 euros. Remember that you need only one of these to qualify. Next, you'll need at least a 2-year-long university degree or vocational training which is recognized in Germany through an Aneben degree classification. Now, on what basis will points be awarded to you? Firstly, you'll get 4 points if you have professional qualifications for shortage professions like doctors, nurses, teachers and engineers. Next, you'll get 3 points if you have 5 years of work experience in the past 7 years in the same profession, or if you can get a B2 level German language certificate. Next, you'll get 2 points if you have just 2 years of work experience in the past 5 years in the same profession, or if you are 35 years or lesser, or if you can get a B1 level German language certificate. You'll get 1 point if you are lesser than 40 years, and 1 point if you have previously lived in Germany for 6 months or more. Kindly note, it does not count if you've been in Germany as a tourist, but for any other previous studies or work completed in Germany. You'll get 1 point if you can get a C1 level English certificate, which is really easy to get, or if you can get an A2 level German language certificate. You'll also get 1 point if you're applying with your spouse who is eligible for an opportunity card as well. You'll also get 1 point if you have any university degree or vocational training in shortage occupations. Now remember that out of all these scoring factors, you will need just 6 points to qualify, which is really easy to get. I've linked the Chancenkarte website in the description box, so you can check how many points you can earn yourself. Remember that the language tests needed to score points for the language criteria should be from TestDAF, Goethe, IELTS or TOEFL. Now, when can you apply for this visa? Applications for the Opportunity Card begin in June this year, but until then, you can take these few months to prepare yourself and complete the following steps. You can go to the official Chancenkarte website to check all the requirements and arrange for the documents you'll need, like your degrees or work experience certificates, which can sometimes take a while to gather. You can also prepare for your language tests and appear for them, which again takes time. At the same time, if your spouse is applying with you, you'll also have to make sure that they have all their documents and they are well prepared for their language tests as well. You can also start collecting basic information on living in Germany, the job market, which region you might want to start looking for jobs, and which part of Germany you would like to settle. You can build your professional networking through LinkedIn, and most importantly, create your German format CV and cover letter, which you can then use to connect with the companies in Germany that you would like to work with. You can even start looking for part-time jobs that you would be allowed to work for 20 hours a week as soon as you reach Germany. Remember that if you get this part-time job, then you won't need a Germany blocked account. If you don't know how to make your documents ATS friendly, you can reach out to us to make a German format CV and cover letter, which will of course be at a nominal cost. Now that you know all the requirements, we come to how you can actually apply for this visa. The application steps are not difficult at all, and you can do all of it on your own without the need for any agent. It's the same process like any other German work visa. You'll just have to go to the VFS Global website, select the country you're applying from, for instance India, and select the country you want a work visa for, which in this case is Germany. Click on Take Me to their website, where you can now get complete information on applying for your visa, booking an appointment slot for your visa application, when you can just visit a VFS Global Center near you or a German embassy or consulate to submit your documents and give your biometrics to get your visa in just a few days. Alright guys, so that was all about the Chancenkarte or Opportunity Card visa process. For more immigration tips, do subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified for new updates. Thank you for watching and all the best for your application.